late in the game against the Columbus Blue Jackets back in the first half of the season.
We'll see if Andrei Svechnikov can get back on the board. 17 goals this year. And here we go. Jordan Staal does what he does, wins the opening faceoff. Carolina trying to get this puck into the Blue Jacket zone. Good work there by Sean Kuraly. Carolina, unfazed, will move it in. Svechnikov shoots, he scores! Welcome back! That's the way to feel better. Carolina up 1-0. 17 seconds into this one, Andrei Svechnikov.
Call the doctor, because this is just what the doctor ordered. Onside. Staal drives the net, which creates the shooting lane. Nice job from Shea to get that puck right up in the neutral zone. And he wires it by Subban on the far side, the blocker side. Deceptive with his eyes. You can tell he's in that angle even though you can't see him. You can't hear. He's looking to Staal.
Face off. So Aho wins it cleanly back to Orlov. We'll find Chatfield. Chatfield tees it up safe. Subban rebound up front. Jarvis and Subban gets across. They'll get it to Teravainen. Back up for Burns. Aho wanted it. Burns will get it back to Teravainen. Teravainen will turn. Tight turn for Teravainen. Gets it to Gensel. Oh, they score! Tic-tac-toe. Power play goal. Carolina. Sebastian Aho. Red hot.
What a pass from Jake Gensel in the bumper. Watch him drip back. Takes it off his skate seamlessly to his tape. And puts it right in the wheelhouse for Aho in an offside finishing position. And Aho looked like he knew he didn't have to get all of it. He just had to get underneath it and get it upstairs. Look at the lean from Aho to make sure he gets that necessary elevation.
As play resumes, Columbus looking to get a little traction going here in the Kane zone. Goodbranson with it. We'll find Sillinger. We'll pull away from Pesce. He'll ring the post. Doubled down with a power play goal from Sebastian Aho. That's how we have a 2-0 lead in the final regulation home game this season for the Hurricanes. Collected off of Goodbranson before it can get in deep, and Columbus moving it around. Now here comes a steal. Opportunity. It's Drury right in. Subban with the save, but Jack Drury going to draw a power play. Good work there by Svechnikov to get it to Kuznetsov. Now Shea worked across. Kuznetsov looking for a deflection. Subban gets across on both Svechnikov and Nason. It's a Powerball power play. It's pretty simple when you say it that way. As Burns, Canes win the draw, will take it. He'll hand it for Aho. That hits a crossbar. Teravainen tries to get to it. No angle right now. Now there's a chance. Hammered right on by Svechnikov. Subban the save. Rebound was spit out, and Columbus will get to it. And they're 3 across. Texier. They'll drop it for Werenski. Right across. Anderson has to make the save. Shorthanded. Has been outstanding as we went from late afternoon into early evening, and the Canes have 20 minutes to close out the home portion of their regular season schedule. Olivier tries to deliver a hit, but Burns gets it to Slavin first. Now second chance, long stretch pass, settled down, Teravainen. Kuznetsov, he's got Nicias, who's going to take advantage out front, and couldn't settle it down, and Subban got in front of that as Carolina tried to take advantage of Severson falling to the ice. Now another chance, a shotgun score, Teravainen! From the circle, Carolina hemmed him in, and Teravainen's 22nd of the year makes it 3-0.
The old silent wrister from Teuvo Teravainen. The initial sauce, Kuznetsov to Nicias, but then the battle level from Kuznetsov. Coming in as Teravainen. Up the wall it goes, you keep it in. And when you cannot hear a shot, which you cannot hear a wrister, and typically a pass-first guy oftentimes, it can be in the back of the net before you even know a shot's been taken. If you're truly a huge Caniac, I don't want to see any Ranger jerseys. That I will say. I was going to wait till the end of the first round, and I'm going to mention it again. If you're a true huge Caniac, there's none of that blue jersey.
Now a chance out in front as Vaughn set up Drury.